Why are you not focusing? Okay, thank you. So as usual, I have my setting powder under my eyes to catch any fallout. And I'm gonna prime my lids with my Kylie Cosmetics concealer. I already have some concealer on my lids now, but I'm gonna put a little bit more just to cancel out the darkness. Today I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. Alright, so I'm gonna dip into called Puder. Alright. Then I'm gonna dip into this color called Buns. I'm gonna put it right under where I put Puder. So I'm gonna take my concealer, place it on my lid. I'm gonna dip into Faint. I'm gonna place that over the concealer. And I'm gonna go back into that dark brown shade and put it on my outer corner. And I'm gonna take Buns again and put it on my outer crease. I'm gonna blend that into my shimmery shade. Eyebrows are done. I'm gonna wipe off this bake. And I'm gonna dip into Puder again, the light brown shade right here. And I'm gonna blend that on my lower lash line. I'm gonna dip back into Buns. And I'm gonna put it closer to my lower lash line. I'm gonna go in with my Marc Jacobs mascara per usual. I coat my lashes like a million times. Now for the lips, I'm gonna take my NYX lip liner in Toast and I'm gonna line my lips. And then I'm gonna take my Physicians Formula Healthy Lip in All Natural Nude. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Comment down below what you think of this look. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video.